Code P0054 tells us the PCM sees abnormal resistance in the heater circuit of the downstream oxygen sensor on bank 1. This sensor is behind the catalytic converter and helps verify that it's working correctly. A faulty heater slows sensor warm-up and affects emissions control. The most common reason for P0054 is a failed heater in the oxygen sensor. Other causes include wiring problems like corrosion, broken wires, or poor ground. Sometimes the wrong sensor may be installed, causing mismatched resistance. You'll usually see a check engine light, but drivability won't change much. However, the vehicle may not complete its emissions self-checks, especially for the catalytic converter, which can cause a failed smog test or inspection. To fix this, check the heater circuit's resistance using a multimeter. It should match factory specs. Also look at the sensor's plug and wiring for damage. If the heater is out of range or open, replacing the downstream sensor on bank 1 should clear the code.